What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Craftsman compact blower. Now it won't get used again in either another weekend or next weekend exactly, which it's definitely how much expected this machine exactly, but don't surprise the saying as it could get used almost like quite a bit because I do like this machine like you can see. Still got 3 bars in the battery, so you can see definitely how much we expected this thing exactly, which definitely looks pretty nice like in my opinion. I mean, as you see, this is a CMCB LZ100, and what I do like about this machine is because you can see, because not only because the way the machine's been used almost a couple times already, but you see how much expected this thing is, like you can see. And I expected this thing that usually used almost quite a bit because you see how much expected this machine is exactly, because when I expected this machine's been used almost quite a bit because you can see how much expected this thing, I mean, I know this is a 6 hour battery, you see, because like I said, I mean, this thing's gonna get used almost like quite a bit because no matter what, I mean, you can see how much expected this machine's been used almost quite a bit because, if you look at this battery, you can see this is a CMCB 206, and what I do like about this machine is that here I want to use that this means like it's gonna get used almost like quite a bit because you're seeing how much it's better this means like which is it's definitely how much I expected this machine like but don't surprise this thing is like it's gonna get used almost like quite a bit because you see how much it's better this thing like which I'm really surprised this thing got used almost like quite a bit because I mean like yesterday you can see how much it's better this machine like which is definitely looks pretty much what I expected this machine like which is it will get used again even another weekend or next weekend like so I don't know exactly which is definitely looks pretty much what he expected the scenes like which is definitely how much he expected the scenes like which is definitely looks pretty nice right here. I mean like I said this is a CMCB LG100 and what I do like about this machine exactly because you see how much it's expected the scenes like which is definitely looks pretty much what he expected the scenes exactly which is definitely looks because you see how much expected the scenes like which is definitely how much expected the scenes exactly which it's definitely how much you expected this machine exactly but don't surprise in saying that it gives almost by it because like I said, you can see how much expected this thing's like, and ever since the machine's been used almost a couple of times already, because you see how much expected this thing's like, which just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So I hope at some point this thing will get used, even another weekend or next weekend, like, which is a very good looking machine.